Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will break down the top 20 differences between walking and running to help you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or just starting your health journey, understanding the benefits and drawbacks of each can help you choose the perfect activity to reach your goals. Let's get started. Number 1. When it comes to losing weight, running typically burns more calories in a shorter time. However, walking can still support fat loss if you do it consistently and for longer durations. The real key is choosing the activity that you'll stick with. Number 2. Running can be tougher on your joints. Walking is much easier on your knees, hips, and ankles, making it safer for those with joint pain, stiffness, or arthritis. Number 3. Running improves heart health more quickly. However, walking also lowers blood pressure, improves circulation, and lowers cholesterol. Number 4. Walking is excellent for stress relief. It gives you time to relax and clear your mind. Running can be too intense for some people who are already stressed out. Number 5. Running is more time efficient. A 30-minute run can burn the same amount of calories as a 60-minute walk. Number 6. Running carries a higher risk of injuries such as shin splints, runner's knee, and ankle sprains. Number 7. Running often leads to a runner's high, an intense feeling of euphoria. However, this may not be as accessible for beginners or those with lower fitness levels. Number 8. Running is more intense, which can help with short-term weight loss. However, walking is better for long-term weight maintenance. Number 9. Running improves stamina and endurance, helping you go longer between rest periods. Number 10. Running burns nearly double the calories per minute. However, walking longer distances can still add up to big calorie savings. Number 11. Running improves bone density, making it better for bone health. However, it can be harder on your joints. Number 12. Walking is much more beginner-friendly. Almost anyone can start walking daily. Number 13. Running helps you get fitter faster. It burns more calories and uses more energy. Number 14. Running improves muscle strength and bone density. However, walking also has these benefits. Number 15. Walking is more accessible. You don't need special gear or a gym membership. Number 16. Running keeps your heart rate in the fat-burning zone for longer. However, walking also burns fat. Number 17. Running is more effective for improving endurance and stamina. Number 18. Running is more intense, which can make it harder to keep up. Number 19. Running burns more calories per minute. However, walking for longer durations can lead to greater overall calorie burn. Number 20. Running can help improve mood and reduce anxiety. However, it can also be too intense for some people. So what's the verdict? Running or walking? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best exercise is the one you'll stick with. So choose the activity that you enjoy and can make time for regularly. Whether it's running, walking, or a mix of both, incorporating more movement into your day is the key to a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips every week. And I'd love to hear from you. Are you more of a walker or a runner? Drop your answer in the comments below. In the link below is a supplement to give your body energy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.